Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating the simple causes. First, open settings and confirm media, call and alarm volumes are up. Set them above 30% so you can hear tests. Next, turn off Do Not Disturb and disconnect Bluetooth or wired headphones. Those routes often hijack audio. Once done, reboot the device to clear transient glitches and immediately play a ringtone and a short video to verify output. These steps expose whether the issue is settings, routing, or a deeper hardware or software problem. Now you isolate software causes. Boot into safe mode to see if third-party apps are muting audio. If sound returns, uninstall recent apps one at a time. If that doesn't help, clear the cache for the problematic app and, if available, wipe the system cache partition to remove corrupted temporary files. Make sure relevant permissions, microphone, Bluetooth, and modify system settings are granted. Also check for pending OS or app updates once applied. Retest because patches often fix codec or driver issues. If software troubleshooting fails, escalate carefully. Back up your data and perform a factory reset to rule out deep configuration corruption. Once complete, test audio before reinstalling apps. To check hardware, try an external Bluetooth speaker, a wired headset, or a USB-C DAC. If those work, the internal speaker or jack is likely faulty. If sound still fails, visit a service center to inspect the speaker, moisture sensors, and flex cables. Quick tip: if intermittent, tighten connections and avoid DIY speakers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.